Look, it's a filter that makes me look better. Foggy and hard to see through. Alright.
La 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 la. Hey, 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 la.
One of the things that happens when you're a hoarder, especially of car parts, is you randomly end up with stuff that somehow lines up. So, we ended up with a charger, which is a B-body. I think pretty much everyone knows that by now. So, I thought, you know what? One of the things that makes driving in cars absolutely fantastic, other than the important stuff like wheels and an engine, is seats. Just so happens, in my hoarding ways over the years, I have a set of, well, these are 68 B-body seats. Oh, there's one. The other one is way down there still. Dungeon. So I figured, why not clean that up and put it in there? We're going to use this. It's an all-purpose cleaner. Some of that's mold, some of it's, a lot of it is sawdust. These ended up unfortunately sitting in a wood shop for a while. And yeah, you know what happens there. Sawdust can find its way into absolutely everything. So after we use the green, we'll use some blue. Now let's go see. Now this has sat for all of a second. I haven't used a brush, I haven't used anything. So let's see how these come out. Do. Oh, wow. Maybe not as much struggle as I thought. Like that. So that looks close for sure. But I think what we'll do is we'll tri-flow the bottom and see if we can get those seat runners moving. And if we do that, we'll push the seat all the way back, because I don't know what position it's in right now, and go from there. Oh, hey. All right. Today we're going to try to solve a problem, a braking issue. Those are seized. You might have seen me try to hammer on them and smash on them and even tri-flow them earlier, but I haven't made it very far with it. So we're going to see if our underpowered plasma cutter can cut through the top of the drum, and if I can just pound the old brakes out, possibly with a screwdriver or some other kind of wrecking device. Plasma cutter, brake drum. It's the match of the century. All right, we're plugged in. I even think we're, no, not. Right in the face. So let's see now, do we have to have this on for it to work? Yes, we do. Yeah, I feel like Doc Brown right here. So get some 1.21 gigawatts going there. I think we can ground off the old lug. We shall see. I'm such a horribly messy worker that I actually have a hard time finding stuff when it's been put away. There we go. I guess I should probably explain part of the reason I'm doing this. Part of the reason is I want to save the drums. Not to reuse for now, so we can roll the car around. We need it to move. We've almost got the rear end fully in. So it'd be super handy at this point that we can actually get the car on all four wheels and move it around. So I'm just trying to very rudimentarily get these rolling without having to destroy the entire drum. So we'll see. Oh, I guess I totally disappeared there, didn't I? Back down we go. Do. No one saw that. I meant to do it. So, did some work. A little bit of off-camera work. But this is our window to waking. Our window to happiness. Old drum brakes that just kind of fall apart. But we're spinning. Oh, let's take this off too. Oh, stayed on. Everything I do, I can do with one hand. There we go. Now she's just free floating in here. I ended up actually using a death wheel for the second half. The plasma cutter I thought would cut a little straighter, but it melted a lot. I struggle with camera placement sometimes. How about we go... Where would be a good spot? What's this like? Oh, I still can't really see, but this would be a good time to do one of those fast motion moments where it looks like I'm much more skilled than I actually am. Side always falls apart much weirder. So that was one of the things I wanted to do for the day. And then we're back up and running. Next, gonna play a little pull knot. Next is figure out, we gotta make braces to go from here to here. So we gotta clean all that out. Like this stuff here doesn't need to be in there anymore. Cut this front off. It's still pretty solid under there. And then slide a piece of steel in. probably cut that out so we can get up a little further. So I'm going to cut this off, and then we'll go from there. We are building a charger, but you'd think it was a Challenger. So, we're, look at that. See something crazy? Oh, they'll do it now. But there's still fluid coming out of the power steering pump. Maybe we've puked it all out already. But yes, that's all wet because fluid came out of that 30-year-old, well, more than 30-year-old, but sitting in the bush for 30 years power steering pump. This is a PSA, or public service announcement. I need to talk about something very important, something that's very near and dear to my heart, and that's the combination of chocolate and coffee. Man, it's good. Like this brownie. This is an amazing brownie. So, you got the two, and oh, there's chocolate chips in that brownie. The more you know.